Hello world! On Entertainment Tonight News, Katy Perry officially hard launched Justin Trudeau. The two have been romantically linked since the summer, and the pop star just shared pictures and videos with the former Canadian Prime Minister from their time in Japan, Tokyo Times on tour, and more. Katy captioned the carousel. As to the caption of Max Woodside, Katy Perry and Justin Trudeau shout out their love to the four winds in Tokyo. The singer is in Japan as a stop of her The Lifetime tour, and she didn't come alone. She is very well accompanied by the former Prime Minister of Canada. In Instagram, they confirmed their relationship by posting together.
Look at that.
Alright, let's go. Oh, mini one.
A little mini uni.
My first date.
Oh, yeah, that's great.
Oh, that's good.
Sweet lovely day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.